Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I got Ford C-Max 2012 model. Have a look what happened. I'm going to start the car. See, hill start assistant not available, and this side you can see ABS light, traction control, tire pressure monitoring. Basically, I got the faulty code from the computer. It's talking about the right rear wheel speed sensor. There is a 3 faulty code for the same sensor. What I done, I'll show you, because this thing can happen to you also. Well, I'm going to switch off the car. Basically, this vehicle has a faulty wheel bearing. We remove the old bearing and we install one bearing. This is the one we install. Then after that, we can't switch off that warning light. However, after that we ordered another one and we install, and we are going to remove it again. That's the second one. Then the same problem, same light on, everything as should be same, no any changes. That's the second bearing we install. Now we are going to remove the second one, and after that I order another wheel bearing. This is the third one. Basically, when I see inside, we found the problem. You can see here, this inside wheel speed sensor here, this is not, when I compare with the old one, this one not thick, this one bit smaller line inside. You can see, I'll show you once I remove the other bearing. I'll show you what happened inside. Give me a couple of minutes to until we remove the second wheel bearing we already installed. Right, we managed to remove the other bearing also. Well, have a look inside. This is the inside. You can see it has a inside ring, little bit fat one, and this one also same. This is the original one. When you look inside, it's little bit thinner, not flat like this one. Is not fat, little bit thinner. See the this one same, you can see it's bit thinner. This is the problem we suffer. Basically, we replace one new one, then after that we went to the second one, same problem. Then after that we ordered another brand. Now this one going to be fine. And same time I call 3-4 my colleague and find out if they have any problem like before. They said they don't know. And after that I done bit research online. I couldn't find any answer for this one. Then after that my mind went to the like a whole electrical fuse, ABS pump, lot of thing. However, finally I'll be stop here. Then I know this one going to be work. However, once I fix, I'll show you. I'm not going to show you how we going to replace the bearing, but I'm going to sharing my experience with you. Hopefully one day this will help for you. Once I fix the new bearing, I'll come back to you again. Right, we done the hub and we done the wheel, all okay. Now I'm going inside the car. I'm going to start the car. All light disappeared, but still ABS light on. However, I'm going to reset with the computer. code cleared. You can see the dashboard, all light disappeared. Then I'm going to exit from menu, continue, leave it everything as it is, and I'm going to take to the road test. Right, I'm on a road test now. You can see the dashboard all clear, only the fuel light on. Apart of that, everything fine, no any funny warning light. Yeah, and when I take the reading, you can see here all reading getting fine. After lot investigation and spend lot time, maybe 3-4 days I spent for find out what's the problem, what's the cause. Luckily customer very happy for this job, but if it like a good customer, sometime I'm a bit stressful. However, everything going well and smooth now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow my channels. You can get lot of video and tips like this. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Thank you. See you in the next video. Another happy day.